So what I was looking at was the crop data by the USDA. They have this giant map of the whole country, and it's an image, it's a raster, a geotiff, and every type of crop, or if it's urban or shrubland or whatever, it has a number value. And but it's an image, geotiff. So I needed to convert that over to a vector-based type of information for that Felt could use, and I can color code it and everything. So what I first did was download the whole country, and then using Python and some libraries, Rasterio, GeoPandas, they're good for slicing and dicing raster imagery, and also adding attributes to things, especially the title, what kind of crop it is, the actual name, so people could understand it rather than a number. So then once I had that in there as a GeoJSON, I just brought it in and did the upload into Felt, and then brought it in. And some of the great tools are the advanced styling. And for this, I wanted to have unique colors for everything. So I just, these are all the crops and then all these unique values. And what I did is there's a website where they have the hex bin or the RGB values, and you can just say, I want 200 different unique colors, and you can just copy that. And then I pasted it right into the advanced styler in Felt. And so I was able to have unique colors and right out of the gate, and I was able to look at things. So with this map, if you click on a part of the map, you can see what the crop is. You have walnuts being grown there, and I think these are I think that a lot of the brown is almonds. Almonds is all over this valley in California. And then these purple areas are grapes. So if you zoom out, and you can see where the grape growing, the vineyards are of the area.